and welcome. My name is Luba. I'm one of the designers at Modern Kitchen and Home Solutions, and we are at one of our beautiful projects in Reston. This client is actually my returning client. We have done multiple projects for him, such as kitchen, master bathroom, and painting throughout the house. The neighborhood is located in one of the cookie cutters colonial style houses. Build a great kitchens, build a great master bathrooms, but we were fortunate enough to have this space around us. It's a very large bathroom and we were able to achieve a lot in this bathroom. For starters, we have moved shower because it was very tiny and not functional for the homeowner to an opposite side. We had a vanity on one side and vanity on the other side, which we combined into one. We have installed beautiful freestanding composite stone bathtub. Right before, we actually had a drop-in bathtub, which is not very functional and takes out a lot of floor space. Initial meeting with our client regarding this master bathroom design had totally different vision. By designing a few different options in this space, we were able to achieve client's vision. My vision, since this is one of my favorite bathrooms, it's not transitional, but it's not modern. Adding enough warmth and coolness in this space makes the space one of a kind. Our initial meeting with the client, it was pretty great. He had a lot of goals that he wanted to achieve in this bathroom. One of the goals was to create a minimalistic bathroom with clean line, enough color, and enough warmth. To achieve the minimalistic look, we have designed this bathroom with free-floating vanity and a rift-cut oak finish, which complemented the overall space and makes this bathroom very spa. This bathroom has a lot of unique elements. One of those were the large profile tiles that also complements the minimalistic look bathroom. Also avoiding the big grout lines is the best style to choose. Specifically, we went with the marble look to keep the bathroom bright and added some pebble look tile with a hint of blue that is the main accent color in this bathroom. One of the biggest goals in this bathroom was to achieve a large shower. That's why we have moved the existing shower to an opposite side of the bathroom and have installed the curbless shower, linear drain with the integrated tile, rain shower head, and handheld shower spray, and a shower glass panel from floor to ceiling. One of my favorite things in this bathroom is heated floor system. What can be better than getting up from the shower or from a beautiful bathtub to a warm floor? During the winter is the best thing. During the summer it stays cool because you can always set up the setting to your liking. We all know how difficult it can be to select the right materials in your budget and that will look great in your space. Our client, Mr. Lloyd, had a specific request. He wanted to have an integrated vanity sink made of quartz, which in my opinion, one of the special things in this bathroom. We also use fluorocore LED mirrors, free-floating vanity that was also in his wish list with rift-cut oak finished cabinetry. Specifically in this bathroom, my client have requested to use Color products since they are very well-known brand and a good quality. Wall-mounted faucet ties everything together in this space because on the walls we have used Turkish porcelain with the marble look and black veining that really complements black throughout the space and ties everything together. As a designer, it brings me joy and happiness to see my clients happy because our crew put a lot of effort, made sure that our clients are happy with the end result.